10 True Movie Theater Horror Stories. 1. The Phantom Projectionist. Late one night, a theater manager was closing up when he heard the sound of a film projector running in an empty auditorium. When he entered the projection booth, he found the old reel-to-reel projector rolling on its own despite being unplugged. Workers later reported seeing a shadowy figure lingering near the booth, believed to be the spirit of a former projectionist who had died in the theater decades earlier. 2. The Vanishing Audience Member. A security guard at a historic theater noticed a lone man sitting in the middle row of an empty screening. When the film ended, the man was still sitting there, unmoving. The guard approached to ask him to leave, but as he got closer, the man simply vanished. The incident repeated multiple times over the years, always in the same seat. 3. The Whispering Seats. Staff at a small independent theater often heard whispering voices when no one was around. The voices seemed to come from different seats in the auditorium. One night, a brave employee sat in one of the whispering seats after closing and felt an icy breath on their neck before running out in terror. 4. The Haunted Marquee. A theater built in the early 1900s had a marquee light that would flicker on and off, even when the electricity was disconnected. Local legend claims it's controlled by the spirit of the original owner, who was obsessed with keeping the lights on to attract customers. 5. The Crying Woman in the Bathroom. Many employees and guests reported hearing a woman sobbing in one of the stalls of the ladies' restroom. When checked, the stalls were always empty. An investigation revealed that a woman had taken her own life in that restroom decades ago, and her spirit never left. 6. The Elevator That Moves on Its Own. In a multi-story movie theater, an elevator frequently moves between floors without anyone inside. Security cameras once captured the doors opening and closing repeatedly, as if someone unseen was stepping in and out. Some employees believe it's the ghost of a young girl who had an accident there years ago. 7. The Man in the Projection Room. A late-night worker was reviewing tapes when he saw a shadowy figure standing inside the projection room. Thinking it was a co-worker, he went up to check only to find the room completely empty. When he looked at the footage again, the figure was gone. 8. The Shuffling Footsteps. Janitors cleaning theaters after midnight often reported hearing shuffling footsteps following them. The footsteps would stop whenever they turned around, but they always felt an unseen presence watching them. 9. The Flickering Screen. An old, abandoned theater was said to have a screen that would light up by itself, playing silent black and white images. Paranormal investigators once set up cameras and captured a shadowy figure walking past the screen despite the building being locked. 10. The Ticket Booth Apparition. A guest once tried to buy a ticket from a woman at the booth late at night. But when he turned back after checking his phone, the booth was completely empty, locked for the night. Security footage later showed the guest talking to thin air. Movie theaters are places of excitement and escape, but for some, the spirits of the past refuse to leave. Whether it's a lingering presence in an empty seat or the flicker of a long abandoned screen, these real-life horror stories prove that the show must go on even in the afterlife.